You are now tuned into the live show around
106 and Pop.
And my name is Marquay.
And I'm Sharika.
Today we have two special guests.
Nicki Minaj.
And 2 Chainz.
And they will be performing their song, Bees in the Trap, a little later in the show. But as of right now, we got a lot of stuff going on in the world. Let's talk about the killing. Let's talk about the shooting.
Let's talk about the guys and the girls that's tweeting.
Tweet about what? What's the tweet topic?
106 and Pop. That's we gon' stop it.
Bees in the trap. Bees in the trap.
Hey, sorry 106 and Pop. We was too cheap to get real microphones, so we had to use home appliances.
Spatula.
But we're gonna get into the number 10 song, Chris Brown featuring Fat Joe, or Fat Joe featuring Chris Brown. Why are you looking at me like
Cause what song is that?
the Fat Joe Chris Brown song?
Or how about we play Bees in the Trap? Bees.
That's not even the number. That's the number 1 song.
Bees in the Trap.
Alright.
Oh, and everybody who came out to the Nicki Minaj concert knows she killed it, and she was at Ibiza, and that was like Ibiza in that.